Hey, I'm Brian Lewis, and today I am coming to you from the Baccarat Residencies. That's a name associated with luxury, beauty, and rarity. And this home is all of those things and more. This duplex is on the 18th and 19th floors and has been completely redone and reinvented as an indoor-outdoor paradise in the heart of Midtown. But before we go outside, I want to show you why this great room is so great. First impressions matter. They set the tone for the entire home. And as you turn the corner from the entry, you spill into this immense living dining space. Soaring ceilings, marble floors, integrated fireplace, and walls of floor-to-ceiling windows. Or for a change of speed, just chilling on the sofa and feeling on top of the world. There's a warmth and an intimacy here that belies its scale. And for those summer soirees, all of these doors open for a seamless al fresco experience. I mentioned rare earlier. This is what makes this home so rare. There's over 3,000 square feet out here, wrapping around nearly the entire place. There's multiple seating areas, a dining space, and even a pickleball court. You feel alive with the energy of the city out here. 3 centuries of architecture are visible. You see beautiful old mansions, the City Core building, and even 30 Rock. Hey, Sarah! You never know. Who's hungry? Because this is the place where the culinary magic happens. This kitchen, it's like out of a dream. Marble counters, custom cabinetry, trophy appliances, dual wine storage, and a table big enough for any holiday feast. So get ready, because all your family and friends, they're just gonna start showing up, invited or not. Rounding out the downstairs are 2 ensuite bedrooms, one of which is configured as this sunny, stylish corner home office. Not a bad place to run an empire. There are 3 bedroom suites up here, one of which is configured as a great gym, 2 of which anyone would consider a fantastic primary suite. This one is my favorite. This suite is definitely one of the best bedrooms I have ever seen. It has great views, multiple seating areas, a wet bar. It's also got a big marble bathroom with a party shower. This is the place to say good morning and good night to the best city in the world. You're just not gonna see a home like this in New York very often, maybe anywhere. I mean, this is practically a house in the sky. Thank you so much for hanging out with me in this big beauty, and I'll definitely be seeing you in the next one.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop us a like and subscribe.